Tired of coffee grounds sneaking into your morning cup? If you use a 12-cup commercial or home coffee brewer, the right filter makes all the difference. Genuine Bunn 12-cup coffee filters deliver a cleaner, smoother brew by fitting perfectly in your machine's filter basket. These aren't just any filters, they come factory packaged, poly-bagged, and made in the USA by Bunn-O-Matic Corporation, ensuring quality you can trust. I used to struggle with standard grocery store filters that were either too short or flimsy, letting coffee grounds slip through and muddy my brew. It was frustrating, and I thought maybe no one made a good filter anymore. Then I found these Bunn filters on Amazon. Although they look oversized at first, they fit perfectly in my Hamilton Beach FlexBrew's 12-cup side, reaching all the way to the top of the filter cup. That extra length means no more stray grounds in my coffee, just a clean, rich flavor every time. Plus, they hold up well during brewing, so you don't have to worry about tears or spills. What you get with these genuine Bunn filters is peace of mind and better coffee without the premium price tag. They outperform generic brands like Brew-Rite, which often don't fit as well or filter as effectively. If you're ready to upgrade your coffee routine, switching to these filters is worth a look. They're reliable, affordable, and designed specifically for 12-cup brewers, making your daily brew smoother and your cleanup easier. Try them when you're ready to experience a noticeable difference in your coffee's quality.